Hello guys, welcome again. Welcome to Tech Class channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to participate on Onomy Testnet. Onomy is a blockchain built on Cosmos SDK. So they are currently on their testnet, and the testnet is incentive. So to start, you have to start by downloading your Yandex browser. After you have downloaded it, then make sure to install both Kiwi browser and Keplr browser. After you install them, I know you have already know how to do this. You can just type any Keplr, just type Keplr extension, and then it will show you the link to direct you to Chrome store and download it. And then the same with the Metamask. So after you have downloaded your after you have downloaded your Metamask and Yandex, make sure to set them up. After you set them up, then the next thing is to copy your link and then request for faucet. You have to request for Goerli faucet, which we have been discussing in our previous videos. I know most of you know how to do that. So after you have requested your faucet, the next thing is to enter this link, which is this. I will leave the links in the description of this video. So after you enter this this website, as you can see, you can connect with Metamask or Coinbase wallet. So now just click on this connect. When you click on this connect, you can then click this navigation button, this place. When you click on it, you can now scroll to your extension and then open your extension to approve this transaction. So let me unlock. So wait for it to open. Make sure your Metamask is in Goerli Testnet network, because that is what we are using now. So after that, it will show you to connect your wallet. Then you can now click on next, then click on next again. So now that you have finally connected to your account, the next thing is to approve this, so to click on that terms and condition, and then continue. So when you click on continue, here is the let me change this to desktop view to see everything very clear. So it is showing me to connect my Keplr. Let me do that. You also receive the same thing. So now let's wait and let's wait for the Keplr to connect it. The reason we are using Yandex for this particular testnet is because you can't use this with Kiwi due to the problem with Keplr in your Kiwi, because most time if you wanted to use Kiwi in your Keplr, if you wanted to use Keplr wallet in your Kiwi, it will give you a lot of head attach. So now go back to your website and then continue. When you continue, now the next thing here is to start by buying DENOM. DENOM is like a token. Here it is. You can see the buy here, the buy place. You can see the buy here. So, and my balance is showing here. So here's the faucet balance that I requested. So I know you people know how to do that. So you can now, from here, you can now type any amount you wanted to use. Let me use 0.1. So when I use 0.1, here is what I will receive. I will receive 15 DENOM. So now click on buy. When you click on buy, then confirm this. When you confirm this, you have to open your wallet here, the same thing, and then sign this transaction, your Metamask. When you sign this, confirm this. When you confirm this, then go back to your website. As usual, when I wanted to do any tutorial on Yandex, I actually recommend you to open a lot of tabs before uh, pasting your main testnet link, which is this, because anytime you make any transaction, Yandex would automatically remove one of these tabs. That is the reason for opening a lot of tabs. So now the transaction is confirmed. As you can see, transaction is confirmed. So that means I will just click on next now. So now that I click on next, the next thing now is to bridge. We are going to bridge that DENOM to our Keplr. That means to the Onomy network now, because now it is in our Goerli network. We are going to bridge that to our Onomy. That means that, and that DENOM will now change to normal NOM. So now click on next. When you click on next, it will show you a place where you need to put the amount you wanted to bridge. You are going to bridge this DENOM. You are going to bridge it to NOM. Here's the NOM. As you can see, it will show the balance here if you finally bridge it. So now from here, you can type any amount. From the 15 that I buy, even though it reduced because of the gas fee and other stuff, so I will just put let me put 7 here. You can put any amount irrespective with the correspond with this amount you have in your wallet. So I'll just put 7. Sorry, let me put 10. When I put 10, I'll just click on swap to DENOM. When you click on swap to DENOM, click on approve for bridging. When you click on approve for bridging, do the same as usual. Open your Metamask to approve this transaction. So now I just need to confirm this. When you confirm this, you have to wait for when you confirm this, then close this, then wait for this to finish. After this finish, then you are now after this finish, then you need to click on the bridge, that is swap DENOM to NOM. So now return to the bridging screen, click on it, then swap this. When you click on swap, now we are doing the real swap, because the first one is approving that amount that you wanted to swap. Okay, now I'll just click on my Metamask. So I will just confirm this. When I finally confirm this, so I will just need to so now I'll just need to wait for this to finish. I'll just need to wait for this to finish successfully, and what I bridge will now enter my Keplr wallet. That means it will now transfer to my Onomy network in my Keplr. That is the reason for connecting my Keplr with the website, and that is the main reason we are using this Yandex, because with Yandex we can navigate, we can actually control 2 wallets at the same time. For more simplicity, you can use your PC to work. It will also work fine. So now we are going to wait for this to be done. We are going to wait for this block confirmation. We have almost 35 block that we need it to be completed, and you have see that there is time here. So we can now just pause this video and wait for this to be done. So now I have finally bridged the bridge is successfully. Then now I can now click on continue. When you click on continue, it will show you a place that this is start staking. So you can now click on this start staking. When you click on it, it will show you a list of validators that you can use to stake your asset. So I will just select this first one without any waste of time. After I select this, then I can now click on delegate. So when you click on delegate, just wait for it to finish loading, and now you can delegate any amount. So I will just delegate let me say 5. So let me just put 2. After I click on 2, now I'll just click on confirm. When I click on confirm, this time around, when I click on confirm, this time around I need to accept this. I need to proceed this transaction using Yandex. So Yandex will just pop up automatically. So wait for it. After it show, yeah, then click on approve. So when you click on approve, you can now go back to your wallet and wait for this to be done. So we have successfully delegate 10 nom. So now you can now click on done. When you click on done, you can see everything here very clear. Let me zoom it small. As you can see, nom holding, we are holding 10 noms, and we have staked 2. As you can see from this place, we have staked 2, and then we didn't lock any amount. So now, after we have done this, that means we are close to the end of this tutorial. So now the next thing, now since we have finally staked, the next thing is sell this. I can now, if I like, I will now rebridge this 10 and then swap it, because I really need that Ethereum for other testnet. So I will now click on bridge again. I can now, yeah, I think currently there is no option to bridge back. If not, I could have bridged back this 10 that is remaining there to my Ethereum network, to my Goerli network. So I'll just click on this maximum. I will now sell this the remaining B enum that I have. So after I click on maximum, I will just approve this. After I click on approve, then click on approve, then enter my Metamask, then to approve this transaction. So now I will just confirm this. After I confirm this, then go back again, wait for this to be done, then swap, then sell, sorry. So now that I finally approve this, I will just click on next, then confirm this, then enter my Metamask to sell, to confirm this sell. So now I'll just need to go back to the website, and wait for this transaction to be completed. So now that this transaction is done, I'll just click on done, and then that's all. That means I have finally swapped back that binom to my Ethereum. So now the next thing now is to click on this again, this place. When you click on it, open your Keplr. When you finally open your Keplr wallet, so the next thing now is to click on this place. When you click on it, it show you other networks. So here you can now check for Onomy, for Onomy. Click on Onomy Testnet. After you click on Onomy Testnet, you can now click on this place to copy the address, this place. So when you click on that place, it will automatically copy the address for you. So then you can now enter their Discord. I'll leave the link on the description of this video so that you can join. So when you enter the Discord and verify your Discord, then the next thing is to click on this place, this drop nom address. So when you click on it, just paste that address that you just copy now. So after you paste it, then send. So when you finally send it, then you can also share your feedback, your testnet feedback here. Maybe you find a lot of errors and others too. Anything that you have encountered, you can now share with them and then drop your address together with the screenshot of the error. So when you have finally done that, then that means you are done with this testnet. So guys, this will be the end of this video, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. And don't forget to share this video, like, and don't forget to on notification for more video like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.